Search is a useful function to quickly find the same indicator for different countries. There are two ways to do this. If the relevant indicator is Macrobond defined, all it takes is a single click to generate the results. If not, you can use by description in the Actions tab to customize your search results. When searching for a headline series or data from harmonized databases such as OECD or IMF, use the Macrobond defined action to display the series for other countries that the indicator is available for. Just click on the series and locate Macrobond defined in the Search Actions group, here. Clicking on the action will open Search, where the list of series will be displayed. Let's select a few countries and add them to a document. It's useful to note that if a series is Macrobond defined, you can also use the by concept view in the economics database to find the same indicator for different countries. You'll find a link to the video on using by concept below. Macrobond defined might not be available for every series you search for, so if you've clicked on the series and Macrobond defined is not displayed in the Search Actions group, it's because it's not available for that series. In that case, you can try using by description instead. I'll start this with a caveat. Using by description for this purpose is really an insider workaround for when a series is not Macrobond defined, so it's going to take a bit more than a single click, but it's definitely worth learning. We'll use the IMF-IFS database as an example, and select Brazilian domestic credit claims on private sector, the quarterly series. Now let's say you'd like to quickly compare this indicator for Brazil to a few other countries, but notice that it's not Macrobond defined. Click on by description instead. As you can see, a search is performed using the full description of the time series. What we're going to do now is adjust the results by applying a filter, or excluding and adding words to your search term to get the precise description for the indicator. Have a look at the series description and try and identify and remove the differences. In this case, the only difference is the frequency, and there's a filter for that, which we'll use. Once you have your search down to a single result, remove the country name from the search field. That way you'll be performing a search for every series matching the description you have in the search field, effectively looking up a list of every country with an indicator of that description. Hold down Ctrl to select all the countries you want to add, and then click Add to Document 1, here. So, now you know two ways to use search to find the same indicator for different countries. If you'd like to know more about how to filter results in search, or anything else mentioned during this video, the relevant links are provided on the page below.